here, I tested a couple of shingles. This shingle only has 3 nails in it when it should have 6. On top of that, all of the nails are overdriven. Okay, but that's the least of the issues. This vent pipe boot isn't nailed down, doesn't have enough shingle overlap covering the flashing, so water can literally get straight in to where the vent pipe's coming through the roof or decking. We got this beauty right here on this hip. Water's gonna run down, get straight behind that flashing. Once again, not even secured. This is my personal favorite. Not only do we have the improper roof covering, that's a 112 pitch, that's a 212 pitch. I've verified no ice and water shield under there, but check out this hip. Not even nailed down. You should not be able to lift this hip all the way down. Look at and you shouldn't even have this hip to start with. Just look at all the debris transfer right up under there. Height, it gets better. Same thing. There's no reason for those nails to be right here, but they also overdrove those nails, so that's going to cause an issue with leaks. Oh, that beauty right there. There's nothing, literally nothing, preventing water from running straight into that flue pipe.